What's up guys, my name is Sarah's Day and I am a health and fitness YouTuber. I've been told that you're a bunch of super creative people, and although you think our lives may be very different, they're actually kind of the same. So I know you guys might be out looking at locations or looking at furniture, whereas I'm out on like a fitness photo shoot or I'm doing some crazy workout. I know what it feels like to be out all day and having to have sustained energy, but I also know what it feels like to be stuck at a computer all day and editing. Whether you're out on location or having a computer day, this is going to be an amazing smoothie that not only sustains your energy levels and your concentration, but gets your creative juices flowing. So look, I would count the ice cubes for you, but let's just say like 2 handfuls. And then totally up to you, you can use almond milk or coconut milk, but I just like regular water. So I'm gonna add just under 1 liter of water. So healthy carbohydrates are not only great for sustained energy levels, but they help your creative juices. So your brain actually feeds on glucose. So that's why I'm going to be using a whole banana. It's also my favorite fruit. But for me, bananas give me a really good boost of energy and they just taste so yummy. In all of my smoothies, I do like to have a source of protein. So here I'm using a vanilla protein. It's a rice and pea protein blend. Use whatever protein you like, but for me, this one really helps with digestion and I think it tastes delicious. 1 serving of that in there. Okay, I would say this is my favorite component of any smoothie, and that is a healthy source of fat. And that is the thing that is going to keep you fuller for longer. And also, healthy fats are brain food. So if you want to create a beautiful space, you need to have a healthy brain. So when it comes to your healthy fats, you really want to focus on omega-3s. So 2 of my favorite options, flax seeds, so either flax seeds or flax meal or flax oil, or hemp seeds. Both of these are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, amazing for the brain, amazing for the gut, amazing for your skin. Even though this is a creativity juice flowing smoothie, like you want to look beautiful too. So I'm going to add a little bit of each, honestly just like a pinch of each. This is going to be a cacao chocolate smoothie. So we obviously have to add some raw cacao powder. Add as much as you want or as chocolatey as you can handle. I like mine pretty chocolatey, so I'm going to add like a heaped tablespoon. And then my final ingredient is a thing called psyllium husk. Now, if you have problems with digestion or you want your smoothie to be extra thick, this is my go-to ingredient. If you can't get your hands on psyllium husk, you can also use chia seeds. Let's blend it up. So we've got a little takeaway jar here. I like this one because it's glass, it's environmentally friendly, and it looks really pretty. Yum! And then I put a little straw and put the top on. So honestly, I have a smoothie every single day, especially if I'm at home editing and I'm just smashing out computer work. This is definitely my go-to recipe. So I hope you guys loved it. Definitely try it out and tell me if it gets your creative juices flowing, and good luck on whatever creative project you're working on. See ya!